compare is so toxic.
It's time to stop measuring ourselves against others and start embracing our unique strengths and talents. Do you agree? In today's hyper-connected world, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of comparison. We scroll through social media feeds filled with highlight reels of other people's successes and instantly feel inadequate. But here's the thing, comparison is toxic. It robs us of our joy, stifles our creativity, and prevents us from reaching our full potential.
We are so focused on how we compare to everybody else that we stop focusing on actually creating.
When we constantly compare ourselves to others, we lose sight of what makes us truly unique. We become consumed by thoughts of how we measure up to our competitors instead of focusing on what sets us apart. This mindset not only leads to feelings of inadequacy but also hinders our ability to innovate and create. I have been there myself, constantly measuring my success against that of others in my industry. But I soon realized that this was a losing battle. No two businesses are alike, just as no two individuals are alike. We each bring our own set of skills, experiences, and perspectives to the table, and that's what makes us special.
Stop comparing and start creating.
So how do we break free from the cycle of comparison? It starts by shifting our focus from others to ourselves. Instead of obsessing over what our competitors are doing, let's channel that energy into creating something truly unique. Let's celebrate our individuality and embrace the fact that there's room for all of us to succeed. That's in fact the most important thing we need to remember all the time. I truly believe that we came on this earth for different reasons, and one of the biggest is to manifest who we truly are, creating the world we want to see.
You are unique, your business is unique, because your brain is unique, your people are unique. So stop comparing yourself to every other business, every other company, and start creating.
When we stop comparing and start creating, magic happens. We tap into our creativity, unlock new opportunities, and carve out our own path to success. By embracing our uniqueness, we not only set ourselves apart in the market, but also inspire others to do the same. And this is also important. So my friends, let's make a pact today to stop comparing and start creating. Let's celebrate our differences and use them as a catalyst for growth and innovation. Remember, you are unique, your business is unique, and the world needs your unique perspective. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now it's time to watch this video where we make a comparison between dropshipping and affiliate marketing. In the digital space, these two models attract tons of people, and there are several reasons why. We unveil the pros and cons of each model, and we hope this will help you to make informed decisions about the model you want to choose to start. See you in the next one.